Wiring of KNX Devices course, as one of our new series for free KNX videos. In this video, we will explain how to wire KNX dimming actuators. Part 2. First note. We will use KNX Universal Dimming Actuator as we will need to control a halogen lamp. As we discussed in previous video, we should choose the suitable driver or controller based on the kind of lighting we need to adjust it to work properly. In KNX we use KNX dimming actuators as a driver for the lamp to control the dimming function. Second note, we will use MCB to protect all electric circuits and smart devices, so the rated current of this used MCB should not exceed the rated current for actuator output channels. Also, the connected loads should be in range of this MCB. As an example, in this video we used dimming actuator. As the data sheet of the manufacturer, the actuator must be fused using a 10A circuit breaker. So the rated current for the MCB should not exceed 10 ampere of current, that is to protect the smart device. At the same time, the total loads which are connected to this MCB should be in range of 10 ampere and should not exceed it. If you need to connect more loads, so use another MCB by the same way. Now enjoy watching. See you in the next free videos. Porto KNX. We make learning KNX free, simple, easy and attractive.